is a community or society, there are always dislikes.
The other person is not easy. If somebody has spent 25 or 30 years of his or her life on the same pattern, it is not easy to change them.
True. But if what is meant by acceptability? Very simple.
It's talking about the other person, the dislike that he has. The same situation with our case.
True.
If we will accept him, then we will get accepted.
Excellent.
It's
This
the
behavior
two-way-
creates vacuum which is filled with nothing, but with disliking the dislike.
Both husband and wife can have dislikes and likes and dislikes. If they are not similar, they have to compromise with each other, except for those which can lead to the separation.
Excellent. Okay.
Dislikes are the part of their personality. They are not even in the position or willing to change.
That-
A willingness.
Wherever there are humans, there are humans. And in every human society, in every human community, the difference community and society, lawyers, a community, teachers, community, professors, community, and so on. Whether that is a community or society, there are always dislikes. Clear? Over here, we are sitting 6 people in this room right now, but there are so many things which I like, but you don't like. So many things are there which you like, but I don't like. So dislikes are always there. And this relationship, that two people from two different families know, because the brother and sister, the marriage cannot take place.
Yes.
So what does it mean? That both people, they are from different
Families.
family background. So dislikes shall be there. My question, that dislikes, as they are the permanent feature of marital life, how should the whole family in general and the couple in specific behave in this context? Please.
If these dislikes are acceptable, try to accept them.
Excellent.
Because changing the other person is not easy. If somebody has spent 25 or 30 years of his or her life on the same pattern, it is not easy to change them.
True,
But
excellent.
if these dislikes are causing problem for you, then you can share with the spouse
Excellent.
that it is hurting you or disturbing you.
True.
But again, that sharing should not be in judgmental way,
Excellent.
in humiliating way. You should discuss in positive way, that if these you can leave these things, our relationship can be made more beautiful.
Excellent.
So I think that it is the only way that you should discuss with your partner.
The idea is now that if these dislikes are acceptable, so if acceptability is there, as far as these dislikes are concerned, it's okay. And then he said that if these are not acceptable, then what is to be done? Share them.
Discuss
How to
them.
share? That share with respect. That point is clear?
Yes.
The question, what do you mean by that acceptable? How can we come to know that these dislikes are acceptable? Mean they can be accepted, they are okay.
If in your partner there is some activity or hobby he or she is having, but you don't like, but for his or her pleasure, you can allow her
Okay.
to carry on if it is not
Okay.
causing problem in your life, your practical life.
Excellent. So now you are scientific.
Yes.
Say, MashaAllah, please. She says what is meant by acceptability. Very simple. Dislikes are acceptable if those dislikes don't harm you, don't damage you, don't create problems for you. Which problems? Which problems which you can't afford.
Yes.
If your life partner is busy in surfing internet, in using mobile phone, in watching movies, in playing games, in having walk outside, etc. But all these activities of the life spouse don't cause your loss. Don't cause your humiliation, your insult.
Don't affecting your reputation.
Excellent. No, don't cause your embarrassment.
Yes.
They don't affect your name, your
Yes.
fame, etc.
Your family
Your
background.
family background. There's nothing.
Yes.
So then these dislikes are acceptable.
Acceptable.
Beautiful formula you have given us. No.
Yes.
Anything else?
No.
You got the idea? How scientific she was. MashaAllah. Please.
So I think that you both have discussed it in a very beautiful way and almost covered each and every point. I would like to add that we are talking about the other person, the dislike that he has. The same situation with our case.
True.
If we will accept him, then we will get accepted.
Excellent.
It's the two-way path, give and take. If you do that, then we'll get the reward for yourself.
Excellent. That is beautiful point you just drew my attention or our attention towards. That how to communicate. How to let your partner know that how this communication should be made or had. How? In respectful way. Oh, if you communicate now that this is a thing which I don't like. So if you can't leave that thing, minimum you can change the mode. I can't see that surfing internet all the time. So minimum you can change the room. Sorry, I don't like broiler meat. I mean, that this chicken, this is a mummy daddy chicken. I don't like it. But should I stop it for the whole family? If my rest of all members of my family love to eat, so what I can say? Please do cook for me as well. Some other dish. You can make pulses. You can make that you can say vegetables. Prepare for me the simple local sauce. No issue. So that's the solution is there. No?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So this communication, it should be in a logical way, it should be in a respectful way, etc.
Yes.
Anything else?
That's it, sir.
These dislikes we are talking about start causing problems in the family when both the partners stop their respective duties. This behavior creates vacuum which is filled with nothing but with disliking the dislike, and the result is anger, hate, even shouting.
You want to say that if the wife is doing whatever she is supposed to do, she is doing,
Yes, sir.
and the husband is also doing what he is supposed to do.
Yes, sir.
If both people, they are carrying out their assigned duties, their responsibilities, after that, if the dislikes are there, so then there's no issue. This is the point you wanted to say. It's a great idea. Another point which can be concluded from his point of view is that if these dislikes reach at a point when now that suppose they keep fighting, they keep doing all those things which we discussed in the first phase of that, clear that there's a torture is there, mental torture, physical tortures, etc. Then what should be done? We shall discuss all these things under the problems. If the problems they become tensed, and you seeing that your marital life now is getting that you can say is becoming a menace now. It's creating problem for you. It has become very difficult for you to move forward with the same person.
Draining your energy.
Excellent. It is causing the drainage of your energy. Then what should be done? Is there any solution? No. We shall discuss in the next phase. Please.
Both husband and wife can have dislikes and dislikes. If they are not similar, they have to compromise with each other, except for those which can lead to the separation.
Excellent. Okay. But what kinds of dislikes can be compromised? This is a question actually. You say that if likes and dislikes, they continue with the same features, there's no change. Then you are of the point of view that go for compromise, and continue your life as it is. So it means if the problems are there, so problems shall remain. This is not logical answer, I think. No, this is not logical solution. Dislikes.
If the dislikes are disturbing the personal life, if some dislikes are the part of their personality, they are not even in the position or willing to change.
These were the three questions which we discussed today. I don't know how useful this activity was for you, but personally I learnt a lot from you, the fresh minds. In the next session, the question we are going to begin with, that is that marital life, like other roles of human, also has problems. Points clear?
Yes.
Problems. Or should we continue with those problems, or some other solution should be made? Thank you very much. See you next time, inshallah.